And I'm gonna need to have a talk with Steve Jobs because the people he left in charge got me fucked up.
If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. If I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I was more than you could manage.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog with your girl Shakera. So I feel like this little area right here is what I'm about to show y'all what the hell I bought. As y'all saw earlier in the vlog, I started my day at 7 o'clock and I gave y'all a little cute montage. So let me know how you feel about that, because girl, I was trying to get them angles because I feel like I suck at angles, but I'm learning, okay? I'm trying. So in this first package, I just got my tongue scraper. I bought 2 and I opened 1 this morning. I also got this flushable toilet seat cover like this, y'all. This should be an essential for every girl. I use them at work, when I'm traveling, just publicly. So these are my facial towels and I have the subscription on Amazon. So these come like every month. I got me some boric acid. And this is tea. Kyra kind of put me onto this, and I basically use these when my period is finished. I think this is feminine wipes. Yeah, these are the flushable feminine wipes. I honestly, have I ever tried feminine wipes? Yeah, I have. When Honey Pot first came out, I liked them, but they were irritating me, so I just never tried it ever again, and I just never use wipes. I honestly just use a Perry bottle, but I can't bring that big old Perry bottle in public, so I got these and they're pink. So yeah, this next package, what's this? Oh, it's a wig. I don't typically show wigs that I really buy, but since we're here, why the fuck not? So it's chocolate brown. It feels good, and y'all, I haven't been into long hair lately. Like, I don't care for it. I used to be a 30-inch bust down girly. Now I'm a 24, 22 all day, every day. But that's my little haul, y'all. Today's Saturday. I don't think I said that. It's 12:09 and I think I want to order some Chinese food for lunch, but let me go put these in the garbage, pack away what I need to pack away, go finish editing my vlog. Y'all, the vlog that I'm editing, like, I'm super proud of that vlog. I'm always proud of my vlogs. I like how I edit and all of that. Kudos to the girls that put up long vlogs, because my 18-minute vlogs, you know how many times I have to re-upload it on YouTube. So imagine me uploading an hour vlog on YouTube. That's gonna be 40 days and 40 nights. Baby, I ain't got time for that.
I don't know, I just don't think this is like right for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home. Like, I can't take the pressure of it. Don't you think any job interview...
Like, I'm cool with my little 18 minutes, but maybe sometime in the future I'll consider going past like 30 minutes. But an hour, editing an hour content is crazy. Crazy. Okay. These days been so freaking hot. Like, I wanted summer to come so fast, but I need it to go right now. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So I just got back from getting my feet washed because it needed to be washed. The white nail polish was turning brown. And y'all, tell me why my camera is acting a fool. The little flip out screen that it has, it's not flipping at all. Like, DJI, don't fucking play with me.
Oh, Sharkeisha! Oh my God, Sharkeisha!
I paid over $700 for this. Let's not do that. So I might have to send it out for them to, you know, look at it. But I don't know when, because I want to wrap this vlog up before I actually send it out. So I don't know how long that's gonna be, but this shit is really getting me tight. It's not really a big issue, but it kind of is, because I could still vlog. But DJI, why is my shit acting up? Hey y'all, new here, who this? I feel cute. I'm cute as hell. Ain't nobody telling me nothing. I'm just here sitting in the car waiting to go inside therapy. Therapy's at 1:15. It's 1:05. So I have 10 minutes left. Shit. But yeah, that's what's on today's agenda. And after therapy, I have work. And also, I don't know if you guys notice any difference with the footage right now, but I put the wide angle lens that this camera come with on it. Honestly, I'm not really fond of the wide angle lens, but then I'm kind of, you know, judging it based on my experience with the Pocket 2. Hopefully when I'm editing this, the footage actually looks good. And I'm just drinking an Ensure Max Protein French vanilla. Because I didn't have no lunch. I had breakfast this morning and I didn't get time to grab any lunch, so this is my like supplement for that. Hey y'all, it's Sunday and I'm headed to T-Mobile right now because Apple decided that since I paid off for my phone, they're gonna break it so I could continue spending money with them. And I don't like that. I don't know what's going on. And I'm gonna need to have a talk with Steve Jobs because the people he left in charge got me fucked up. So I'm literally headed to T-Mobile to get me a new phone. And that was not in my plan. I didn't want to get a new phone. But here we are. Like, Apple needs to do better. And I kid you not, like every time I pay off for a phone, it breaks. Every time, like, I'm not even exaggerating, like every time it happens. And then you fucking shit. This man almost took off the whole fucking mirror. But anyways, yeah, so every time a new phone comes out too, my phone breaks a week or two before that. Like, I can't just never be great.
Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, like you know you mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, like you know you mean one thing.
Phone secured, y'all. I didn't get a screen protector or a phone case because I feel like theirs is just way overpriced, and I'm a Shein and Amazon babe. Why would I pay $60 for a screen protector and $80 for a case? Are you dumb? Anyways, I'm about to go home. I want to go to the movies today. I don't know. I'm gonna finish setting up the phone because we kind of started, but it was taking mad long. After we was overhyping T-Mobile's internet, talking about how it's the best thing yet, it was taking long. But yeah. Alrighty. Oh shit, bitch. Yeah, so we're going out a little bit shit. And don't mind how I look because I just got up. But Amazon said they're delivering my package. And the picture that they took is definitely not my front door, it's my neighbor's. And I'm gonna get it. But the thing is, I don't want them to think I'm stealing their package or something. Because I think they have a ring. This is so crazy. Anyways, this is my money. Thank you. Because why the fuck would they do that? Like, Amazon needs to get it the fuck together. So I got me a phone case. And I didn't know the phone is actually smaller than 13 because I tried putting that case on it and it was way too big. But I just got this basic pink case. I also ordered some screen protector, but it's out for delivery. But I don't think I told you guys the specs of the phone that I got. I got the natural. It's kind of appearing gray. Well, it looks gray and kind of a nude undertone. It's really cute. It's way lighter than the 13, but I'm gonna try to not drop it before the protectors get here. Wait, this probably done. Hold on. It is. Packages here, packages here, packages here, packages here. I love this for me. So the screen protector is on, but there's two bubbles that's stubborn and it's pissing me off. But the next thing I got is a cute ass tumbler. I think it's a 20-ounce bottle, and I got it in a pretty blush pink. If you know, you know. So I got this cute little handle, and it's just super sleek and neat. And I was gonna get a Stanley cup because I couldn't find like a nice blush pink tumbler on Amazon, because all of them had some big writing, which was ugly. So I'm like, maybe I have to just bite the bullet and get the Stanley. But I'm not a Stanley girly. Like, I'm so against Stanley. And even though it has this bottle writing on it, it's not like overbearing, but it's super cute. And it also came with a straw. I got time for all of that. And the brush to clean it. The girl has been drinking water like her life depends on it. And the bottle that I use is basically one that I bought at the store. So each time I drink this water, I fill it up, drink it, fill it up again. So we don't have to do that no more because we got a cute cup. Okay, period. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. As y'all can see, I'm about to give the bathroom a little cleaning, but the fume in here is crazy and the window's already open, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm going out later today. I also need to pick up my prescription today because CVS has been blowing down my phone saying, girl, you need to come get your medication. Like, we can't hold it no longer. You got 4 more days for you to come get this. Big breeze, man. Ain't not them, don't. Pull up that. Okay, bye. Oh, y'all, outside feels like a damn furnace. Let me turn up this AC. Jesus. I don't think I'm putting on any makeup today, y'all. Like, I just can't. I can't. And anybody outside right now with makeup on, like, girl, you need to relax. This is why you need to check stuff before you leave your house, because what the hell? So this is the outfit: Sheen top, Zara skirt, Steve Madden, and my Jacquemus. I didn't put on makeup. I just did mascara and I did my nails. I freaking love them.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I have to say this. You're beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
I'm sorry. I had to say it before.
Thank you.
I literally came back in the store just to say this.
All right, thank you. I'm headed to work right now and I'm sick AF. But Sunday I had a really good time. I didn't vlog. I did bring my camera, but I didn't end up vlogging because I was so irritated. Like, y'all don't understand. It was so freaking hot. Like, I was sweating down my arm. I was sweating down my back. And the venue was outside and there was a lot of hookah. So, you know, hookah, you know, brings heat. So it was just too much. Like, I was so freaking miserable. Did y'all get anything from the Zara sale? Because I did. And this is like my first time purchasing anything from the Zara sale online, because I like to see things in person, because online it just doesn't give. So yeah, I picked up a couple pieces, not much, because every time I put something in my cart, it was gone. It was gone. Like, the girls were on it. But I got like 4 items, so tomorrow I'm gonna see what they look like. Hopefully they fit. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. that they actually fit. Anyways, I'm gonna vibe to my music, and also I just took an Advil, so hopefully that kicks in really soon because I feel shitty. So as promised, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Zara sale, but I also received an Amazon package, but I'm gonna show you guys this after I show you what's in this beautiful box over here. Y'all, this heat. Can't take it. So they packaged it really nicely. Okay. Yeah, let's just get into it. So the first thing that I got is this trench coat. And I've never owned a trench coat in life. So the original price was $129, y'all. But when I first seen it, it was $75, and it was just sitting in my cart. And then when I was ready to check out, it was $59. Y'all, guess the price right now. $35.99. I'm pissed. I'm fucking pissed. But anyways, let's move along. So the next thing I got is this pleated black skirt. I think the original price was $39.99. Y'all, all the prices of the items that I have right now is lower than the price that I actually purchased it for. Because like I said, the original price was $39. I paid $25.99. No, it's $19.99. Anyways, we're already here. I already have it. Ooh, and it has pockets. It doesn't have like a underneath bloomers. I don't really care for it, but yeah. So the next item I got is just a bodysuit, and it has this like velvet material. It's super soft. So you see how right now it's the balloon trend. So the dress that I got is like the reverse version. So this one, it has the balloon thing on the shoulders instead of down on the bottom. But yeah, it's just a plain white dress, and I'm gonna leave the size to each item on the screen because I just realized I didn't mention what size I got. And I also had some stuff in my cart from Madison, and they were all gone. But I'm not even mad at that, because every time I go to the mall, especially Zara, I'm always buying something for her. Like, I kid you not, Madison has more Zara than I do. All I wear is Shein. Okay, so it's my time. Let mama shine. So for Amazon now, I just got me a pajama because I love me pajamas as loungewear. As much as I love Skims, like, I don't feel like I'm gonna take up $60 on no loungewear. Are you crazy? No ma'am. It's super pretty and soft, and I think I got it in small. Yeah, I got it in small, but it do look like it could fit. So that's my haul for today. Y'all stay fucking hydrated because this heat is about to have me 6 feet under. Hey y'all, so I just got home from work and decided to pick up the camera because I think the last time I spoke to y'all was when I was showing you guys what I got from Zara. I think that was like maybe a week ago. That's crazy. But I'm just here watching YouTube videos, and I also was journaling because this morning I forgot to read my Bible. So now I'm just watching a couple vlogs that I'm kind of behind on. And also I think I want to end the vlog here. This vlog wasn't really nothing interesting. I think majority of this vlog was me doing hauls, but if you've reached to this point in the video, thank you so much. That means I'm not boring after all. And drop some pink heart emoji, so that's gonna let me know that you actually sit and watch this entire video. It's 10:23 now. I'm gonna eat some food. Wait. Yeah, it's 10:23 now. I'm gonna go eat some food and finish watching my vlog. I'm not even paying attention. I'm gonna have to rewind. But I'm gonna finish watching my vlog. I'm gonna do skincare and call it a night. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'm gonna start my new vlog tomorrow morning.